So welcome to week 2, video number 8, starting at slide 51. This is going to be about operationalizing your strategic plan. So once you finish, once Sheena, Emily, and the team have finished their strategic planning process, written the report, presented it to their library board, because remember the board has to approve things like strategic plans, because it's setting the direction. That's what the board does. So the board approves your strategic plan. Great. Well, now you got to do it. So you got to implement it. You operationalize it. So going back to this pyramid again, operational plans are specific, action-oriented, shorter-term plans to support the strategic plans. You might have an operational plan for a year or 2 or whatever, but they're shorter. You're going to break it into little pieces, usually an annual plan. And they're going to include who's going to do things. It might be job titles, not necessarily a person's name, but who, what they're going to do, when specifically with dates they're going to do, how much it's going to cost, okay? And it's going to talk about how you're going to be able to measure if you completed the task. Operational plans do the following. So Emily, remember Sheena's boss, she's got to provide evidence that she's doing her part to achieve the goals of the directions of the strategic plan that support the mission statement. So by writing an operational plan that includes SMART goals, and we've talked about this before, you've hopefully in ITSE and last week in field placement, that includes SMART goals, her CEO will know precisely what she's doing and when to expect to see results. Okay, so here's an example of SMART goals for something, right? So what I want you to do, and in class, we'll take some time to do this if you're in the synchronous class. I hope we can take some time. You're going to choose one of the directions from that Thunder Bay strategic plan that's posted in DC Connect and create a SMART goal. And I've written down an example down here. Okay, so we'll do that together. And then on your worksheet, again, you can come up with a SMART goal. It helps your library that you created for your planning worksheet to achieve one of the goals that you wrote for one of the strategic directions. And bonus points to you if you can apply that SWOT analysis matrix, like in the McDonald's video, where you use one of your strengths or an opportunity to offset a weakness or a threat. All right, when you're all done, you've done a great job getting through the planning pyramid. You might want to play this drop and drag the tasks so that you can show me that you understand and show yourself that you understand the steps in strategic planning. Great work.